John is 59. You are 59, John, right? Yes. Yeah, he is 51. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks. Is keeping concentrated in the conversation. To the Holy One. Give thanks. Yes, Fabio. Because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks. John, do you want a wife or do you have one? John, Kara is asking you, John. We will try to find a good one, John, for you. What was your question? If the right one came along. Yes, you are right, John. Actually, guys, yes, like, Kara, maybe you will not relate because you are still young, but yes, we need partner in life, but those partner shouldn't give you headache. Like, you know, partner as your best friend, and like to share everything about. I agree that we need partner. I hope that you will find the right person for you, John. Oh my God, Kara. No, John is treating me only as his younger sister. Yeah, but she is playing hard to get. Oh my goodness. I only speak, type, and listen to analyze. Sorry. I only... Thank you. Thank you so much, Fabio. You are joking, John. No problem, no problem. Thank you so much. I'm reading also the comments. Anyway, I don't have that much comment now, guys. So I'm reading, I can read it on time. He is a good guy. You are going to blush. you you will make me blush. Boom. No, don't say that, Kara, okay? John, he treated me as his younger sister. I don't want to sound mean. No, you are not mean, Fabio. ZR Crazy Vlogs, hello! Welcome to my channel. Muji shout out. Yes, mega love shout out, ZR Crazy Vlogs. Are you doing YouTube? You can comment one of my videos and then I will subscribe you back. I'm also supporting, guys, for those who are also YouTuber. Of course, you guys are supporting me, then I will do in favor for return. Don't worry. So your daughter asked anything? Yes, he was asking how old are you, Fabio? And I swear to God, Jan, if you even dare touch her in the wrong way, you are getting a new life. Oh my goodness. Listen to Kira, she knows what she is talking about. Shazil Samun, hello. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I dare him try to Jan. Naughty Kira. I don't know how you think that way. You made me blush now, Lul. You are from... I came from Philippines. Shazel, I came from Philippines. How about you? From where are you? No, Jan is a good guy, Kira. Don't worry, Kira. Jan is a good guy.